and in this video we will talk about how to set the view of our Microsoft project online. Exactly, I want to change the item of our left menu. It's a link of the different apps, and I want to add some link in the top menu in my Microsoft project online. I can do it because Microsoft Project Online, it's like a constructor, and I can change it. For example, I don't use these items, these apps, and I don't want to see its item in the left menu. Or I want to add some apps, for example, document library. I create these apps in the Microsoft Project Online, and I want to add it in my left menu. We start, and first of all we can click in this link, edit links, or we can click the settings button and select the PWA settings item. Okay. We have opened the PWA settings page, and don't forget about the only project server administrator can see these links and this link. If you don't have such rules, you can change it. We click at the click launch in this block, look and feel. Okay. And as you can see, we have a lot of default links, default apps, and we can use it. We can show and hide if we click and this button. For example, I want to hide this link. I don't use this app, and I change this button. I hide this item. You can hide or show different apps, and you can change the position of these apps. Select it, and for example, click move up, move down, as you wish. To save, we have to click the save and close. Okay. How can I add some links, some apps in my Microsoft Project Online? For that, I click the setting button and select this item, site content. Okay. I want to add this library, document library. I click here. Okay. I select this and select this URL, save it. Can you click this? Okay. After that, click in this link. Okay, and click the button, the new link button. Okay. I must to add the new name of our apps. Maybe it's document. I pass the link, okay, and I select heading. It's new heading, or I can select as heading for my new link, for my new apps. It can be new heading, and I want display in the left menu, in the quick launch. Okay. As you can see, I have added these links, that's new app, and I can set in this place in my left menu. Okay, to save, I click the save and close. Now I have new item, I have new link in my left menu, and I can use it for all my coworker, all my teams in Microsoft Project Online. We describe how to add the top menu, to link in the top menu in the other part of this video after little break. let's take a little break. First of all, I want to thank you for watching my video. It's very pleasure. And invite you to my YouTube channel. Here you can find my videos on approaches and math or project management and tutorial videos about Microsoft project management tools. Subscribe on my channel and you will be notified of new videos. And don't forget about likes and donates. It will help me create new video. Also, I want to invite you on my website. Here you can find a lot of free materials on various topics. The materials has a video, task description and chat where can you ask your questions. If you need more practice, you can take online courses. In online courses, you can step by step learn approaches and math of project management using Microsoft tools. If you have unique questions or issues, write to our team and we will organize and conduct a consultation where we find solutions of all your questions. I hope it was helpful to you and keep going. Okay, in this part we will talk about how to create and add some link in the top menu. You can create the top menu and add the links to the other website or the apps in our local project server. For example, I want to add the links to this app. It's our portfolio, and for this I have to select and copy this URL address. After that, click the setting button and select the site setting item here. Okay, I have opened the site setting page, and here I have to click the top links bar in the look and feel block. Okay, click the new navigation link and add the our URL in the type the web address. Okay, selected, added, and we must to add the new name of our link. It can be project. Okay, and to save and to add, click the OK button. Okay, as you can see, we have new links, and we have the top menu, and we have the link to the our portfolio. You can delete it, and you can add a different link. For this, click the setting button, site settings, and the top links bar. Here you must click in this button, and as you can see, you can change the name of the links, but you can't change the URL address. And you can delete this link. Click the delete button. As you can see, it's so easy. You can do it if you want, and if you have some questions, ask your question in the bottom of this video. I think this video has been helpful for you, and you set the like and subscribe in my channel. Thank you. See you in another video.